really enjoyed this foundation. I really did, and I am just so pleased with how it looks on the skin. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Megan Yvonne if you're new. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. Today's video is going to be all about the Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. I'm wearing it right now, and let's just get into the video so I can share my thoughts. When the Sephora sale happened, I did pick this up. If you haven't seen my video where I show you all my pickups, show you how I shopped the Sephora sale, I will link them up in the cards for you, and I will link them below. But I did pick this up. It is the Makeup Forever, again, the HD Skin. It's a long wearing foundation. So yeah, I picked this up and I'm excited to try it with you guys today. For over 3 years, our worldwide collective of makeup artists have been working to create HD Skin, their ideal foundation. Ultimate flawless second skin effect, high blur effect with an undetectable finish, buildable medium to full coverage, high resistance on skin, 24-hour long-lasting, waterproof, sweat-proof, mask-friendly. True to skin shades, co-created with our pros, enhances skin tones with a semi-matte yet luminous finish, no color oxidation throughout the day. It's ideal for normal, combination, and oily skin, and it's non-comedogenic. So yeah, it says all the things. The only thing that it says on the bottle itself is to shake before use, so that's what we're gonna do. Shake it up a little bit. So we love that. And yeah, it is a glass bottle. I'm just gonna pump some out on my palette. It's a little bit more watery compared to my soft matte. So let me shake it up a little bit more and do, okay, yeah, that's better. I needed to shake it some more, but it's still a little bit more watery, and you know, that's fine. Let's go in with our fingers and apply it. I think it's blending out, and let's see. It looks very weightless. It doesn't look like I have on anything at all, so we love that. I say it's a medium to full coverage, so we love that too. So let's see how it does with just applying a little bit more product and see what we get. So we've applied a little bit more product, and it's still giving skin. Okay. I like it. It blended in. I think this would be good for, you know, again, like it says HD skin, but it would be good for like a no makeup look. I like it. I feel like it looks, it's living up to its claims. It looks like skin. It's mimicking like the natural sheen that you have on your face without you looking oily. So sometimes I feel like with dewy foundations on me, because I already have, like, I get oily right here in my T-zone, like it'll start looking really dewy immediately. I'm really impressed. I like that it blends really well with my concealers of choice, because that's another thing that I look for when I'm trying foundation. Like, how do the products that I already or typically use, how do they interact with, you know, the new product, whether that's a concealer that I'm trying or a foundation. Like, I want them to still work well together, because there's no point in having something and then you can't really use it, or they are competing or fighting, or, you know, like it's causing the makeup to break up and different things like that. Really really is. Like, I'm surprised. I'm surprised because, you know, like that meme that's going around. It's like, surprise, surprise. No, honestly, I'm surprised that, you know, sometimes products might say or claim something and then you try them and you're like, no, I don't get that. You know what I mean? Maybe this worked like that in your bubble, in your lab testing, but in real life it's not working like that for me. But I'm pleasantly surprised and I'm, you know, happy to report that, like, I do see skin. Like, I'm looking, well, obviously I see skin, but it is mimicking skin, and I'm looking in like my mirror right here, so that's what you see me looking down at, and I really do see that. Now I'm gonna go in and add some definition to my face with some bronzer. We're at it. Maybe we'll do a little eyeshadow today. Typically, well, not typically, more recently, I haven't been doing a lot of eyeshadow looks for no particular reason. I just hadn't. Like, we're feeling some eyeshadow today. Just a little light shadow. But I don't want to go too dramatic because I'm going to be running errands after this. So I don't want to be like, where are you going? What's going on? You know? You look like you're about to step out for an evening out. We'll do like a soft glam. That's what we'll do. We'll do like a soft glam eye. Because that will work with this very skin-like foundation. I like it. And I like the way it's setting. Even though I put powders and stuff on top of it, it still looks nice. It doesn't, you know what I mean? We might have a new favorite. We might have a new, you know, add it to the repertoire. I'm just gonna use my bronzer. Work that toward the outer corner and push it in. The lighter color of my Juvia's Place bronzer, so that's what you see me doing here. But overall, I really enjoyed this foundation. I really did, and I am just so pleased with how it looks on the skin. You know, this is without setting it with any additional powders. This is just, you know, setting like my concealer and putting my bronzer on, and it looks amazing. It worked well with my concealer and my blush, and like those are the things that I look for. I want a new product that I'm introducing into my routine to work well with everything else. So I am so pleased with this. I would definitely recommend this. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. It helps get my video out to more viewers, and we definitely want that. We definitely want to grow the family. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel while you're here. Also, make sure you're hitting the notification bell and hitting all notifications so you can be notified when my new videos go live, which they go live on Tuesdays and Fridays at 12 p.m. Eastern time. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can stay in the loop of what I have going on. Really did a great job with this. I really like this. So yeah, I would definitely recommend for you to go in Sephora or even makeupforever.com and go ahead and pick that up. But thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!